If you flush the toilet on a plane, you might think the waste just drops straight into the sky. But that's not how it works. Airplane toilets use a vacuum system, not a water tank like the ones at home. When you flush, the waste is sucked through sealed pipes at high speed and stored in a special tank at the back of the plane. This tank can hold gallons of waste from hundreds of passengers. After landing, a ground crew hooks up a hose and pumps everything out into a sealed truck. But if something goes wrong, like a leak mid-flight, frozen waste can drop off the plane and is called blue ice. And yes, it literally falls from the sky, and it has hit people's houses before.